And today we're going to be checking out these off-road whip lights. That's right, these are RGB whip lights. They're on springs for your off-road vehicle or pickup truck. How cool is that? Now, on top of them being RGB, they're also app controlled, so you can literally control these as you're going through the woods, on the back trail, change colors, change the effects, and customize them on the fly. So what we're going to do first is we're going to point the camera down, we're going to unbox this so you can see everything that you're going to get in this kit, and then we're going to go stick them on the old off-road excursion. So let's do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get everything out. You do get a variety of flags that come with these as well. We're going to go through those and check them out really in just a moment. Inside this little package you have your metal hardware, you have your remote control, you have some zip ties for installation. You're going to get two of the springs for the antennas. This is what allows them to whip around and swing back and forth. And you're going to get the two truck lights. And check this out. How cool is that? It's like a long RGB strip that is coiled all the way around this whip, all the way down. It is still flexible, so it's not going to snap easily at all. And then the two antennas are actually connected to this Bluetooth controller. And then on the end here, you have your power lead and you have your hookup wires as well. So let's go ahead and look at the flags that they're going to give you real fast. First, they have the Don't Tread on Me flag, and you do get two of these. And then you will get Old Glory. You get two of those as well. And then you're going to get two flags like this. And it says Live to Ride, Ride to Live, and it looks like a jaguar on it. I'm not exactly sure what this flag represents, but you get two of those as well, so very, very cool. And when you install this, you would connect this bolt to your bumper, and then you would connect the whip just like this onto the spring, and then hook your wires up. So very simple install, but I'm going to go put these on my truck, and then when it gets dark, we're going to see exactly what they look like. Alright, so here we are. We're outside, and we have the light poles mounted on the back of the old trusty Excursion. I know it's nighttime, and it's hard to see the truck, but we're about to change that. You can see I have the flags. It does come with the flags, as we stated. It comes with the little flag mounts. And another cool feature is these are quick release, meaning that if you unscrew this cable, then you can just grab this and actually pop the antennas off and put them back on, which is kind of cool. What we're here to see, and why we waited till nighttime, is so you can see the lights. So we're going to go ahead and turn them on. And yes, I'm standing here with a remote control. And check out all that glory. How cool is that? Now you can connect these to your turn signals and your brake lights and your backup lights, which is really cool. And like on a vehicle like this, you can actually just connect them to your trailer connection down there, and you don't have to do any serious wiring. But we're going to kind of breeze through all the different modes. We're going to go up to the very top. Okay, so this is mode 1. This is mode 2. Mode 3. 4. Mode 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Lots and lots of modes. We're well over 15 modes right now, and just super cool. Now you can dim the lights if you want to. You can change the speed, like that's the fastest speed, and I can slow down the effect and make them go a little bit slower. Like I said, you can dim them down if you don't want them so bright, or you can make them bright. And you see that flash when you get to the max level? That's how it lets you know that you hit max. You can just pick solid colors, red, green, blue, yellow, light blue, green, all these different colors. You can just pick solids if you choose. It has a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour timer. It even has an auto mode. You just stick it right there and it kind of does this cool little rainbow effect. So if you're into off-roading and you want to be visible at night, if you're out on the sand dunes in the evenings and you need to be visible and you want a fun way to do it, this is the way right here. It's cool that they're quick release, and I can show you maybe the quick release is a little better with them lit up. But the quick release is right here. It's just like a pullback ring. You just pull that back and it just slides right off. And you can store them in the vehicle or inside, and then it just snaps right back on. So very, very cool. Like I said, it does come with all the flag mounting hardware. You get the little straps up here, you get the carabiners. You get 6 flags in total. And it's just a cool little idea for parades, festivals, holidays, off-roading. You can't do this while you're driving on the road, but you can do it while you're parked. And it just gives your vehicle that extra little flair. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.